Hi!
Hi, welcome back.
Yeah, right. So one of the questions we get asked quite a bit is, what do we eat? Now obviously we eat really, really well. And that's probably why people ask, you know.
Exactly.
We look well fed.
Well, exactly, that's right, yeah, definitely.
So Sandy's done a video, haven't you?
Yeah. So we used to get Hello Fresh and all the ingredients were there and it was really easy.
Yeah.
But of course when you're on the road you can't really get it delivered to
State
Highway 1, New
No,
Zealand.
no.
So I've come up with it's like a SANDYS food bag type thing.
It is. It's the first time I've ever called Sandy a bag.
It's not the first time actually. You call me a bag all the time.
Anyway.
So basically what I've done is just sort of one day a fortnight, make all the meals, prep them all and everything, and then just freeze it all, and then take it out when I want it, and just add a bit of salad or chips and that sort of thing to it.
Yeah, works really well.
But what we've done this time is I've actually priced everything out, so I can give you a bit of a guide how much everything costs. Yeah. So that was quite good for us too, figuring that out.
It was actually, yeah, it was really good.
Good exercise.
Sandy's food bag and the costs.
Yes, there you go.
Very good.
We try and have one vegetarian meal a week, but someone doesn't want it to be vegetarian. So our 2 vegetarian meals that we had were corn fritters, and we had to add bacon. We had vegetable curry, but we had to add chicken.
And then for lunches, we have just a sort of, we do a basic lunch, don't we? Do omelettes, BLT, you know, eggs on toast,
spaghetti on toast.
Yeah, don't get too radical on the lunches, no.
We quite often do wraps because they're very good, they keep very well, not like bread. I mean, they actually last a little bit longer than bread, probably because they've got so many preservatives in them, I don't know, but they're very nice, so that's good. I haven't actually priced the lunches out because, well, they don't really cost that much anyway, and we usually eat a bit of fruit as well. We don't tend to have breakfast, we tend to have like more of a brunch thing at sort of 11 o'clock.
Yeah, that seems to work quite good,
doesn't it?
Yeah,
it does.
What are you up to?
Hey Greg, well I'm getting our food prepared for the next couple of weeks, all our meals, our night meals. So what I'm doing now is I'm preparing some chicken to make some chicken wraps. So I've just got some garlic, soy sauce, chili sauce and honey in there. Just going to chop up the chicken, and then I'm just going to freeze it, and then when I need it I'm going to take it out again.
How many meals do you buy at a time, Ginge?
Usually 2 weeks worth.
Wow, okay.
And, you know, lots of chicken, lots of mince, and then I just break it all down into different meals.
Yep.
And this time, for all you people, I've decided to price out how much each meal is.
Yeah.
It's been quite fascinating, actually. I've actually done a couple so far.
Yeah.
I'm quite surprised that they're sort of all around sort of $5 or $6 per serving.
Yeah.
We have done like Hello Fresh and My Food Bag and that sort of thing, and they work out, I think it's $11 per serving.
Yeah.
So it's not too bad. And so sort of like one day's prep for sort of 2 weeks worth of food, and then because I'm a bit lazy in the afternoon, you know, maybe a couple of glasses of wine, don't really feel like cooking. So this way I can just, basically it's all pre-prepared, just take it out and away we go. That's pretty good. So yeah, just doing some chicken.
The other thing I've noticed that the whole time you are cooking, there is a holly dog down there, just making sure.
I think she wants some offcuts.
Yeah.
She's lucky she might get a little bit of chicken.
And how do you find the room in the caravan for doing all this?
Yeah, good. I have to be tidy and organised. Otherwise, I'm going to have so much.
Turns into a shambles.
Yeah, I'm going to have so much stuff on the bench. It's not funny.
So,
I won't actually show you the table at the moment because I have put quite a bit of stuff on the table.
I'm going to go down to
No, look at the table. No.
Yeah, so there's a bit of shopping on the table.
But I'm going to be using all that, so that will go.
Yes, I understand.
Yeah, so it's not too bad. But it's just really good, like the kitchen works well, like just open the drawer and you just get a spoon out. Rubbish bin's just here, so you can actually just chuck stuff into the rubbish bin. Really works well. Nice big bench area, you can use the top of this as a bench too, so so just doing some chicken and sweet corn soup with the leftover chicken. So that'll do a meal or a lunch. I don't know, depends what you put on, but yeah, so that's a couple of kilos of chicken sort of went quite a long way. Quite a few things out of it, so that's quite cool. So that'll keep us going for the next 2 weeks in food.
Cool.
So next on the list is chicken, cranberry and brie pizza. And there you have it. One pizza for two. Okay, so now I'm making some meatballs and meat patties. I cheat a little bit and I use the same recipe for both, so let's go. So my volumes aren't quite exact, I just sort of throw stuff in. So I've got a couple of eggs for binding, a little bit of chilli sauce.
You won't be able to talk though because you're going to speed this up. You get soy sauce, a little wheat, a little bit of salsa in there.
So, what are you doing here, Sandy?
I'm making my mum's not so secret sweet and sour sauce recipe.
Ah, what's in the sweet and sour sauce?
Well, there is sugar, pineapple juice, vinegar, I've got some onions and some carrots, a bit of tomato sauce and some corn flour.
Nice. Well, I know it's nice because I've had it lots of times.
So I've done 2 trays of meatballs, now I've got 4 meat patties to do for some burgers. Okay, another thing for the mince is some tortillas. So basically put some mince in some wraps, put them in the oven, put cheese on top and then a bit of sour cream and chili sauce. Just got some mince and some chili beans. I like mild and Greg likes hot, so we're having mild. And a few onions in there. And a few mushies. Cool, so I don't cook this yet, I just stir it all up and just freeze it, and then when it's time to cook it, I just take it out and put it in the pot and cook it all up. And there you go, 2 weeks worth of dinners. I call it a SANDYS food bag. So hopefully that'll make my life a little bit easier on the road. Like I said, after having a couple of wines, all I really want to do is heat something up to eat. So yeah, so we'll see how that goes. So the costs aren't just for the meat, it includes everything on the plate. So I've been doing online shopping for over 20 years, either using the Countdown app or the New World app. So I just do all my shopping online, click and click, boom, shopping done.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you got something out of this video. Sandy really loves making them, don't you, Sandy?
Yeah, it was fun. It was a fun exercise to do, like I said, to find out how much everything costs. So that was really good.
That was good. So yeah, hope you got something out of it. Please subscribe and we will see you next time.
See ya!